Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Curiosity Unlimited. Today I have a product that I'm going to unbox. It's an air fryer, so I'm going to unbox that product. I'm going to give you all the specifications, and then I'm going to try and make one dish in that air fryer. So let's get started with unboxing. And if you enjoy the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. So here's the product. Let's start the unboxing. Okay, so let's start unboxing the product now. So there's our air fryer. It's Inalsa brand. Fry-Light is the model, and it has a 2 years warranty and safe to operate, rapid heat convection. Okay, so let's open the box, and before that I'll just show you around and see what's on the box. Okay, so here you can see there's a 2.9 liter food basket and 4.2 liter cooking pan capacity. It has a cool to touch handle with basket release button. It has an adjustable temperature and time control, power and heating LED indicator lights, safe to operate, power off on basket removal, and it's 1400 watts. It's a fragile product, maximum 3 stacking. This side up. Okay, let's check the other side. So here you can get all the specifications. It's an air fryer Fry-Light. Okay, so as you can see, the product is air fryer, the model is Fry-Light, quantity is 1 unit, the voltage is 240 AC in, and power is 1400 watts. The contents of the box are 1 air fryer unit, 1 food basket, 1 cooking pan, 1 recipe booklet, 1 instruction manual, and a warranty card. And the color is black and silver. You can see there are things mentioned here as well, which is same as what's mentioned on the side. So let's just open it now. Okay, let's start opening it. So when you first open, this is the thing you get. It's a recipe book. Then there is this instruction manual from warranty card. Then this is the 6 months extended warranty card. It says if you give your review, then you get a 6 months extended warranty. And this is the actual product. Let's see what else is in the box. Nothing. So when you get the product, you would get it in a bag like this. Okay, so now let's remove the bag. There is the cable, 3-pin cable. It's a standard 6 ampere cable. You can plug it in any ports, and it has a length of approximately 1 meter. And this is the main. Okay, so this is the main unit. Now let me show you first from the top, then back, and then we'll come to front. What is it? So this is what you have on the top. It shows like how long and how much temperature should you have for these items to cook. I suppose these are bread, these are something. This looks like bacon, this looks like steak, this looks like chicken, and this is the time. It's a heavy box. It's almost 4 kgs. This is the fan where the oil and smoke would get exhausted. So it will come out from here. There's nothing on the side. There's nothing else in the bottom apart from the model and the QC mark. Let's come to the front. So this is our temperature control. It has a minimum of 140 to a maximum of 200 degrees temperature. And this is the timer control that eventually comes back when the timer runs out, and it will come like this and give a click. So this is how the timer and the temperature functions. Timer is maximum 30, temperature is maximum 200 and minimum 140. Let's look at the basket, the pan. This is the handle. It's a cool handle, so it will not get hot when you use the air fryer. Let's open it. You have to press this button. There's a button here. Let me show you. This is the button that you need to press. Once you press it, you can remove it. Okay, so now let's open the handle. There's just one more thing on this temperature control. You see there's this white arrow. That white arrow shows like what temperature you're on, so it goes like this. Okay, so now let's open it. There are tapes here. I think I'll have to remove it first, but let's see. Okay, there's a click when you open it. This is the bottom part where that thing goes in the basket. This is the heating coil. Okay, and then there's a fan on top that will give out the heat, and that is how it will cook. So I think there's this green thing that you see, that will be the coating that will go once you start it. So there will be some smoke for the first time, I guess. And now let's look at so this is the cooking pan. Okay, so this comes out. This is where you cook it. This is some plastic, you remove it. So this is where you actually put the things to cook. It has like griller kind of things, and there are holes so for the ventilation and everything. And this is a pan where if you put oil or anything, it will catch that, and it does not have any holes, and it's for circulation. So you see that dent in there. This will help with the air circulation, which will how it will cook. So now let's plug it back in. Just don't hold it with the handle. You will have to hold the whole thing, otherwise it will come falling. Okay guys, so there is a fault in this machine, so I think I'll have to return. So you see this button that we pressed to pull out this thing, it's not going back up. So there is no way this can be used properly. It will not lock. Nothing that can be done. So I will return it, and I will see you back when I get the product. Okay guys, so it's the next day and I've got the replacement product. So now let's just quickly open it and see if everything is fine with this product, and then we'll continue with the video. Okay, so by the look of it, it is only looking like it's new. The product that I received yesterday was already looking like it's being used. So let's just open and check if everything is fine. Okay, so you can see now I don't need to hold this pan. I can just hold the basket and it stays in, because this button is working. That was not working yesterday. So I'll just keep it aside for now, and let's just see how the coil is looking now, because I'm sure the other one was used. So it's looking less green compared to the other one. Rest everything seems similar. The timer, so temperature and timer seems fine. See, there's a noise that was not coming yesterday in the other machine. Do you hear that? Let me just put the mic nearby. Okay, so now it's time to plug it in and see how it looks and how it does. So now let's just open this basket. So now, as you see, you can just pick it up with the handle, but if I want to remove it, I have to take it out correctly, and the button is still working. I'll put it back in. I'll just remove the other tapes. Okay, now let's put the basket back in. Okay, that's in. So you just have to push it a bit tightly. And now let's switch on and see. Okay, so now let's switch it on and see what all options are available. And obviously I don't have any ingredients right now, but later in the video I will cook something in it. Right now I'll just show you how it looks once it's switched on. I'll just have to put it down on the floor or in the kitchen, because I cannot keep it on a wooden table. It may heat up, so it is recommended to put on a non-heat resistant surface. So let's just do that. Okay, so I've put it on the ground now. I'll be switching on the machine. Let's see. Okay, I switched it on. It's not showing any lights as of now, because we'll have to turn the dial. Let's turn the dial and see if we get any lights. Just check if I've removed all the plastics and all. Yeah. Okay, let's just switch on. See, there's a power light, there's a heating light, there's a lot of noise coming out of the back, because that's where the hot air is coming out from. You can adjust the temperatures from here and switch off. Okay, so that's the unboxing part of it. Now in the next part you will see how I make french fries in this machine. So see you then. Okay, so I've now kept it in my kitchen, and now I'm going to preheat it for around 2-3 minutes, and then I'm going to fry this french fries that I've got from the market. It's a frozen fries of ITC brand, and it says that we can air fry it for around 15 to 18 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Before that we have to preheat, so I'm going to preheat now. So I'm now going to preheat at 200 degrees for approximately 5 minutes. Let's see after 5 minutes now what happens. Okay, so the preheating is done in approximately 2 minutes. Now I'm going to stop it and I'll add the fries. Now I'll first remove it in the plate. So approximately half a packet. Then now put in the fryer. So because it's hot, make sure don't touch it. I'm going to put it back in. As mentioned here, I'm going to heat it at 200 degrees for around 15 to 18 minutes. So let's start at 15, 17. So we'll meet at halfway. Okay, so I have closed this so that I can remove it, because whenever you need to remove you have to switch it off. So now let's remove and see what it looks like. It's halfway done till now. Okay, it's looking nice and golden. Not sure, I think it may have been done as well. So I'm just going to keep it for another 6 minutes after shaking, and I'm going to remove it. Okay, so looks like it's done now. Let's remove it. You can see it's looking nice and golden now. Just dump it out on a plate. See, there you go. It's nice and crunchy. And it took approximately 15 minutes. So is there anything else you want me to try in it? Kindly let me know in the comments box. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.